You can do it! Welcome to the PNC Painless Computer. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe and the like button. Hey, so what are we jumping into today? Ooh, formulas. On Google Sheet, multiplication formulas. That is what we're jumping into. So there's a few different ways to do it. I'm going to show you two, but Google Sheets has multiple ways of doing things. Some are easier, some are quicker, some are faster, all that fun stuff. So I got my sheet pulled up here, and I got the name, the order, and then the notes. So Jasmine ordered 12 dozen of cookies, and each dozen has 12. So now we're going to jump into how to find the formula. So for the first one, we're going to hit equal signs, multiply, multiply, parentheses, B for the column, 2 for the row, comma, C for the column, 2 for the row, and parentheses. So cross your fingers if we did it right. 12 times 12 should be 144. Let's click over here. Boom! 144. Awesome. All right. So now we're going to show you another way to do it that's a little bit easier. And that's just going to be the equal sign, B2, asterisk or star, C2. Okay, cross our fingers, 144 one more time. There it is. And that is a simple two different ways that you can do multiplication on Google Sheets. So, once again, if you like our channel, hit the like and the subscribe button. We'll be here every Saturday putting up new posts. Thanks, guys.